Sri Ramachandra, the avatar of the Treta Yuga, was the son of King Dasharatha, the king of Ayodhya. King Dasharatha had no sons, so he performed the Putra Kameshti Yajna. Lord Narayana, in the form of a divine being, appeared with a bowl of nectar that was given to his 3 wives. Subsequently, Kaushalya, the eldest queen, gave birth to Rama. Kaikeyi, the next, gave birth to Bharata. And Sumitra, the 3rd queen, gave birth to Lakshmana and Shatrughna.
At the age of 5, the sacred thread ceremony was performed, and they were initiated into the discipline of learning under the tutelage of sage Vasishtha. They excelled in all the arts and mastered the Vedas by the tender age of 10. When they were 14, Rama and Lakshmana accompanied sage Vishwamitra to the forest to guard and protect the sacrifices that he was performing.
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sita Ram, Shuddha Brahma Paratara Ram, Kalatmaka Parameshwara Ram, Sesha Talpa Sukha Nidhrita Ram, Brahmadhyamara Pratitha Ram, Chanda Kirana Kula Mandana Ram, Srimad Dasharatha Nandana Ram, Kaushalya Sukhavardhana Ram, Vishwamitra Priyadhana Ram, Ghora Tataka Ghadaka Ram, Marichadini Pataka Ram, Kaushika Makha Samrakshaka Ram, Srimadahalyodharaka Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sita Ram, Patita Pavana Sita Ram.
After the completion of the sacrifice, sage Vishwamitra took them to Mithila. Here, King Janaka was holding an audience of the bravest heroes of Bharat to see if anyone could break the bow of Shiva. The victor would win the hands of King Janaka's daughter Sita.
During the journey, as Rama passed through the hermitage of sage Gautama, he stepped on Ahalya, who lay like a stone. The divine vibrations from his feet not only gave life to her, they also purified her. Then they proceeded to Mithila.
Rama quietly walked towards the bow that several princes had even failed to move, and to the amazement of everyone, not only he raised the bow, but as he strung it, the bow snapped with a deafening sound.
There was a thunderous applause. Thus, at the age of 14, he won the hand of Sita. So ends the Balakandam with the wedding of Prakriti and Paramatma. Kaushalyatmaja Ramacharan Gautama Muni Sampujita Ram Sura Muni Varagana Samsuta Ram Navika Dhavita Mridukada Ram
Mithila Purajana Mohaka Ram Videha Manasaram Jakaram Ramacharan Sai Charan Ramacharan Satya Sai Charan Kaushalyatmaja Ramacharan Trayambaka Karmuka Bhanjaka Ram भवदर्प विनाशकरा श्रीमदयोध्या पालकरा रामचरण साई चरण रामचरण सत्य साई चरण कौशल्यात्मज रामचरण.
The Ayodhya Kandam begins with the preparations for the coronation of Rama as the worthy successor of the kingdom of Ayodhya. Meanwhile, Manthara, the servant maid of Kaikeyi, poisons the mind of the queen, for she bore grudge against Rama.
Kaikeyi, who actually loved Rama dearly, succumbed to the anger of Manthara. The night before the coronation, she asked Dasharatha the boon that her own son Bharata be made the king and that Rama be sent away to the forest in exile for 14 years. At this time, Bharata and Shatrughna were away from Ayodhya. Lord Rama, with all equanimity, prostrated before his father and smilingly took leave of the palace.
Rama and Sita, accompanied by Lakshmana, left for the forest. Dasharatha, in his sorrow, shed his mortal coil. Meanwhile, Bharata returned to Ayodhya and was shocked at the turn of events. After finishing the last rites of father, he went in search of Rama to the forest, but could not persuade him to return. Instead, he installed Rama's sandals on the throne and lived in the village of Nandigrama outside Ayodhya and carried the affairs of the state from there, waiting for the completion of 14 years and Rama to return.
The avatar in human form conducts himself with exemplary excellence so that mankind may learn from him.
राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे सदा भजो रे सदा जपो रे
अगणित गुण गण भूषित राम अवनीत दया कामित राम.
राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे राकाचन्द्र समाननरा पितृवाक्याश्रुतकाननरा
प्रिय गुह विनिवेदित पदरा
राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे
तक्षालित निज मृदु पदरा भरद्वाज मुखानन्दकरा
राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे चित्रकूटाधिनिकेतनरा दशरथ सन्तत चिन्तितरा राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे
विरचित निज पितृकर्मकरा भरतार्पित निज पादुकरा
राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे राम नाम तारकं सदा भजो रे.
During the course of their stay in the forest, Rama had many deliberations with the sages and seers. He killed a demon by name Viradha and redeemed sage Sharabhanga. After a short stay in the hermitage of sage Agastya, they moved on to Panchavati.
It was there that the demoness Shurpanakha, Ravana's sister, accosted them and tried to lure them. They retaliated by cutting off her ears and nose. Enraged, she asked Kara and Dushana, her brothers, to fight Rama and Lakshmana along with their huge army. They and their entire army were wiped out in no time. She then went to take the help of her brother Ravana.
Ravana then plotted to abduct Sita. According to the plot, the demon Maricha, in the form of a golden deer, lured Sita. While Rama and Lakshmana went in pursuit of the golden deer, Ravana, in the guise of an ascetic, abducted Sita.
Rama and Lakshmana went in search of Sita. Rama saw the king of eagles Jatayu dying and granted salvation to him. He beheaded the monster Kabandha and accepted the hospitality of Shabari, a great devotee. They moved on to the Rishyamukha mountains.
Shri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Ram Janaki Jeevan Ram Dandakavana Jana Pavana Ram Dusha Virada Vinashana Ram Sharabhanga Suti Shachita Ram Agastyanu Grahavardhita Ram
रुद्राधिपसं सेवितराम पंचवटी तटसु स्थितराम जय जय राम जय रघुराम जानकी जीवन राम जय जय राम जय साई राम जानकी जीवन राम
शूर्पणखाटि विधायक राम खरदूषण मुख सूदक राम सीता प्रिय हरिणानुग राम मारीचाटिकृदाशुग राम
विनष्ट सीतान्वेषकराम गृध्राधिपगतिदायकराम शबरी दत्त फलाशनराम कबंद बाहुच्छेदकराम जय जय राम जय रघुराम जानकी जीवन राम जय जय राम जय साई राम जानकी जीवन राम
On the Rishyamukha mountains, Rama and Sugriva set the seal of friendship. It was there that Hanuman, in the guise of a Brahmin, went as an emissary to meet the brothers. Sugriva promised to help him to search for Sita in exchange that Rama would kill his brother Vali for taking away his own wife. Hanuman was very much needed for Rama's mission, and therefore Rama promised to help.
A fierce fight between Vali and Sugriva ensued. Vali was killed, and Rama fulfilled his promise by coronating Sugriva as the king of Kishkinda. The entire Vanara army, all the monkeys, helped by combing every forest and valley for Sita.
Sai Ram 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 Sai Ram 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 Ram
हनुमत सेवित निज पदराम
नत सुग्रीवा भीषण राम साई राम 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 राम
गर्वित वाली संहार करा वानर दूता प्रेष करा
हित कर
The search for Sita began in all the 4 directions. Vali's son Angada, the crown prince, took the lead in the search. Hanuman, who was strong, steady and intelligent, was sent as a special emissary to Lanka. As he was trying to enter the garden, he was captured and brought to the court of Ravana.
Finding Ravana seated so high on a throne, Hanuman thought that being a devotee of Rama, he should be seated at a higher level. He increased the length of his tail and coiled it like a sea, sat on it, and rose much higher than Ravana. Ravana felt frightened looking at the power of a mere monkey and decided to humble him by setting fire to the tail, for a tail is very dear to a monkey. But Hanuman leaped from mansion to mansion, setting fire to the whole of Lanka with his tail. Finally, he saw Sita sitting under a Ashoka tree and dropped Rama's ring in front of her to confirm whether it was Sita. Without wasting any time, he then leapt across the ocean to convey to Rama all that he had seen.
Rama, the all-knowing avatar, behaved like an ordinary human being, pining in the absence of Sita. Hanuman consoled him, and all the great warriors got together to devise strategies to defeat Ravana.
Raghupati Raghava Raja Ram, Patita Pavana Sitaram, Kapivara Santata Samsritara, Sagati Vigna Dvamsakara.
Sita Prana Dharakara, Dushta Dashanana Dushitara,
Shishta Hanuman Dushitara,
Sita Vedita Kakavanara,
Chudamani Darshanara, Kapivara Vachana Swasitara.
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sai Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sai Ram, Patita Pavana Sita Ram.
The war began. The ocean god prayed to Rama not to allow the aquatic life in the sea to be destroyed. The bridge across the ocean was built by the Vanara warriors using hundreds of boulders carrying the letters Ra and Ma inscribed on them. It was constructed in a record of 4 days. Vibhishana, Ravana's brother, who was a devotee of Rama, took refuge in Rama.
A fierce battle raged between the forces of Rama and Ravana. On the 2nd day, Lakshmana fell and was revived with the herb from the Sanjeevani mountains brought by Hanuman. On the 6th day, Kumbhakarna, the younger brother of Ravana, fell. Next to fall was Ravana's son Meghanatha. One by one, Ravana lost all his sons. The war between Rama and Ravana lasted for 75 days. Finally, Rama shot 31 arrows on the last day. One arrow entered the nectar jar that Ravana had underneath his navel.
All the gods were assembled. Ravana's spirit also merged in Rama. Vibhishana performed the last rites of Ravana and was crowned king of Lanka by Rama himself. Hanuman carried the good tidings to Sita. She was then brought in a palanquin. Rama insisted that she go through the ordeal of the fire as proof of purity.
भजो मन राम राम राम
रावण निधन प्रस्थित राम वानर सैन्य समावृत राम
शोषित सरिधि शातित राम
विभीषणा भयदायक राम
पर्वत सेतु निबंधक राम 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 राम
कुम्भकर्ण शिरश्छेदक राम राक्षस संग विमर्दक राम
अहिमहि रावण चारण राम
संहृत दशमुख रावण राम
विधि भव मुख सुर संस्तुत राम 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 राम
हस्तित दशरथ वीक्षित राम सीता दर्शन मोदित राम
अभिषेक विभीषण नत राम 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 राम.
After going through the ordeal of fire, they were flown by the Pushpak Viman to where Bharata was still continuing penance and waiting for Rama. All the brothers entered Ayodhya in a long procession. The whole city was decorated and all the people rejoiced. Rama and Sita were then coronated king and queen of Ayodhya. All the gods assembled and everybody rejoiced.
जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम
पुष्पकयानारोहण राम भरद्वाजाभिनिषेवन राम
जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम भरत प्राण प्रिय कर राम साकेत पुनि भूषण राम
सकल स्वीय समानत राम
रत्नलसत्पीठासित राम
पट्टाभिषेकालङ्कृत राम पार्थिव कुल सम्मानित राम
जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम विभीषणार्पित रंग करा ईशकुलानुग्रह कर राम
सकल जीव संरक्षक राम
समस्त लोकाधारक राम जय रघुनंदन जय सिया राम.
The reign of Rama was called Rama Rajya, the reign of righteousness and truth. The story of Rama is not a mere compilation of incidents. It is the very essence of the dharma of the individual, the family and society.
Dasharatha signifies the chariot of the human body with the 5 organs of action and the 5 organs of perception.
Ayodhya signifies the impregnable fortress, that is the human heart.
The 3 queens are the sattvic, rajasic and tamasic qualities.
The 4 sons are dharma, that is righteousness, artha, that is wealth, kama or desire, and moksha, that is liberation.
Dharma, that is Rama, marries Prajnana, that is Sita. They go to the forest of ignorance or Ajnana.
There, Ravana, the embodiment of evil, steals Sita. Rama then befriends Sugriva, representing Viveka or discrimination, and fights Vali, that is indiscrimination or Aviveka.
With the help of Hanuman, the embodiment of courage, they cross the ocean of samsara.
Vibhishana, Ravana and Kumbhakarna represent the Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic temperaments. Dharma, that is Rama, destroys Tamas and Rajas, that is Kumbhakarna and Ravana, and crowns the Sattvic, that is Vibhishana.
Finally, Dharma gets back Sita or Prajnana, who gets transformed into Anubhava Vijnana. This is true wisdom.
One has to similarly go through trials and experiences in life to achieve true education. When such victory is achieved, there will be Rama Rajya on earth.
हे राम 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 यदुनंदन हे घनश्याम साई राम 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 यदुनंदन हे घनश्याम
आगत मुनिगण संसुतरा
विस्तृत दशकण्ठोद्भवरा सीतालिङ्गन निवृतरा
नीति सुरक्षित जनपदरा विपिन त्याजित जनपदरा
कारित लवणासुरवधरा स्वर्गत शम्भुख संस्तुतरा हे राम 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 यदुनन्दन हे घनश्याम
स्वतनय कुशलवनन्दितरा
अश्वमेध क्रतुदीक्षितरा कालावेदित सुरपदरा
आयोध्यत जनमोक्तिदरा विधिमुख विबुधानन्दकरा
तेजोमय निज रूपकरा संस्मृति बन्ध विमोचकरा
हे
राम 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 यदुनन्दन हे घनश्याम
धर्म स्थापन तत्पररा
भक्तिपरायण मुक्तिधरा सर्वचराचर पालकरा
सर्वभवामय भारतरा वैकुण्ठालय संस्थितरा
नित्यानन्द पदस्थितरा राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम राम राम जय साई राम